Hello everyone. In this video, I want to share a simple yet very profitable strategy with you guys. By mastering this strategy, do not underestimate this strategy because of its simplicity. You've only the other ones anymore. I will go through everything step by step and try to teach you each and every detail. So be sure to watch the whole video. First of all, open the Tradingview.com website and then select the FxAccurateUS currency pair. Now I'll set my time to the 5-minute time frame for this strategy. But keep in mind that you can use this method on all time frames and this strategy can be profitable on all of them. Now it's time to add indicators to our chart. In total, 3 free indicators are going to be used in this strategy. Let's get to applying the first one. Open the Indicators tab from the top of the page in Tradingview. Then on the top of the tab in the search bar, we type our first indicator's name, which is TraderXO. We add this TraderXO micro trend scanner made by BTC Trolley Indicator Trend Charts. Now, as you can see, TraderXO micro trend scanner is an indicator with simple and clear buy and sell signals that we're going to use them to trade. This indicator contains 2 moving average graphs. These 2 lines here, this one below is the fast moving average graph and the one on the top is the slow graph. The trading signals given by the indicator are based on the crossing of these 2 lines. If the crossing is upwards, then it will give us a bullish or buy signal. Or for example, like here, if the crossing is downward, it will show a bearish or sell signal. Now, how do we trade using this indicator? As I said, this is a simple trading indicator which is very easy to use. And if you consider only 2 conditions, you can trade with this indicator alone. The 2 conditions are the appearance of a bullish or long signal and the candlesticks form simultaneously, with the signal being above the 2 lines. So whenever these conditions are met, you can enter the trade where the trigger candlestick is closed and make profit. You could have had an astounding profit from this trade. Also, for the sell signals, the conditions are exactly the opposite. If a bearish signal appears alongside a candlestick which is closed under both of the moving average lines, all conditions are fulfilled and we can enter the trade where the trigger candlestick has been closed and gained profit without any problem. Let me show you some more examples on different time frames. To prove that this indicator is really precise and effective, let's check out the 15 minutes time frame. See here. Even in this time frame, the indicator has given us a buy signal at the best point possible. If we had entered the trade using this signal, as you can see, we could have caught a very big movement of the market. This big movement of the market could have been snatched by using this buy signal and we could have gained a lot of profits and had an amazing trade. Here we got a sell signal and the candlestick has been closed under the moving average lines. So we can enter the trade here and open a short selling position where the candlesticks has been closed. Again, the trade could have made a lot of profit for us just with the help of this indicator alone. But if we use this indicator alone, we could face some problems, same as the other indicators, that when the market enters the reindeer zone, like here, in this situation, we will get some fake signals. For instance, this signal here is fake, or this one over here, and also this one is fake as well. We can eliminate all of these fake signals using the methods that I'm going to introduce later on this video. But before moving on to that, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit a like and subscribe and help the channel with the algorithm. Okay, now let me teach you how to filter these take signals. We need to add another indicator to our charts. On top of the page, click on the Indicators option and open the tab. On the search bar, type MACD and apply the Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicator to your charts by clicking on it. Now this is how the indicator looks and it contains some histograms and a signal line and a MACD line. To make most of the indicator, we must open the settings of the indicator and change some things up so that the indicator can become more optimized and efficient for our strategy. First, in this tiles, have we disabled the MACD and the signal options? Because we won't be needing these 2 in this strategy. Next we move to the input section and from there we change the fast length option to 25 and the slow length to 100. That's it. Now we can click on the OK and close the tab. Let me explain how we will be using the MACD in our strategy. The way we use it is that whenever the MACD's histogram is above the 0 line, It means that we're currently at an uptrend movement and we're allowed to enter only buy trades. And if the histogram is under the zero line, it tells us that we are as a downtrend movement and we should enter only short or sell trades. Let's see, the indicator has worked with the first one. Here we got a bearish or sell signal, and if I draw a line exactly on this candlestick, we can see that the MACD histogram is under the zero line. So we're currently at a descending trend and we are allowed to enter only sell positions. So this signal is valid and we could have entered a trade using it. If we were to do that and set our stop loss to here, we would have made a lot of profit. Now let's move on to the next trade. See, here we got a buy signal. Let's check it up using the MACD indicator and see if it is valid or not. Here the MACD's histogram is completely under the zero line. So that means we are at downtrend movement and we are not allowed to enter a buy trade. So this signal here is fake and we should ignore it and don't enter a trade. Now the next signal is sell or bearish that has been given by the first indicator. I will draw a line here. See, down here in the MACD indicator the histogram is still under the zero line. So we are still at a downtrend movement and we are allowed to open short selling positions. We could have gained profit from this trade as well. Now let me show you some more examples using this method. Since it is always the best to trade according to the market's true momentum, I go to the Indicators tab and search EMA and add the Moving Average Exponential Indicator to my chart. By clicking on it, we've got to change some things in this indicator. In order to do that, I will open EMA Settings tab by clicking on this gear icon. In the settings, I will change the length to 200 from 9. Next, in the Style section, change the moving average line color to white and make it a little bolder so it can be seen better. This moving average line actually shows us the direction of the market's trend. And if the price is higher than the moving average line, it means that the trend of the market is upwards. And if the price is lower than the moving average graph, it says that the trend of the market is downwards. We can enter a buy trade whenever a buy signal has been given by the first indicator, which is TradeEXO. Here we got a buy signal and the second condition is the MACD histogram being above the zero line. But now we got a third condition as well, that is the price being higher than the moving average 200 line. Here our trigger candlestick has been closed exactly above the moving average 200 graph. So we are allowed to enter a buy trade. Now let's test a short trade and check out its conditions. To enter a sell trade, we have to get a short or bearish signal from the TradeEXO indicator that we have got it here. Next, the MACD histogram has got to be under the zero line, and in this position the histogram is under the zero line. So the second condition is met as well. And for the third condition, our trader candlestick should close under the moving average line, and this is true here, so we can enter a short selling entry. Now that we've completely learned this strategy, I want to test it on the ZOS chart with the 15 minutes time frame. And I want to see how much profit we could have made in these trades using this strategy. Now let's example. Look, this first trade win. And next this second trade win. You can see here third trade also win. Here fourth trade win and last trade hit. Target so easily make money from this strategy. See how much profits it made with just these 5 trades. In only 5 trades in the gold chart, we achieved nearly 312% profit. And this much profit in such food trade is truly amazing and extraordinary. But if you want to know about another great strategy that is just one, make sure to watch this next video shown on the screen. See you soon. Thanks for watching our video.